What's up, guys? Mark King 100 right here on YouTube. Check me out on Facebook and Twitter. Alright, guys, I have another unboxing for you guys. I know I've been doing them a lot lately. I'm trying to do other things in my playlist. So I'm doing unboxings and artwork and weight loss and all kind of just stuff. But anyways, I'm actually using the U-mic. If you've seen it in a previous video, you'll know what I'm talking about. Or if you're seeing this and you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out my playlist, the unboxing playlist. I don't know why I weirdly pointed this way for, but I did. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. And this is a grayscale or a value finder. It you just put it up to a, whatever you want to put it up to, and you can find the value of it. You see that? So you see the value of something. See that? Here's the it's got more of a purple in it, doesn't it? But anyways, this is really good for when you're doing like washes and stuff, or if you're doing pencils or charcoal. And it's really good actually just to really define the value. It is this grayscale and value finder. I would tell everybody to get one of these plus a color wheel. You really can't beat it. The color wheel, the color wheel company. Excuse me. Pardon me. There's lunch coming back up. Anyways, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, guys. You gotta subscribe. This year we're gonna do it bigger and better than ever before. We are going to take this page to a new level this year. You and me. Do not forget to subscribe and tell your friends. There's going to be weight loss. I know I don't look like I lost weight, but I've lost over 180 pounds since May, since the accident. And I thank God that I have the opportunity to do what I'm doing. Anyways, guys, leave a comment, like the video, share the video, share the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Push that red button, get the notification, and look for more unboxing and weight tips and things like that. The art studio, the rehab art studio. I thought about calling it Milk Studio, but I'm just going to keep it as a rehab studio. Why? Because everybody can use art as a rehab, no matter what they're doing. If they're addicted to drugs, alcohol, gambling, sex, pornography, food, work, family, it doesn't matter what you're addicted to. Everybody needs a rehab, and sometimes we get injured like I did and we need physical rehab. Well, physical rehab in itself is great, but sometimes you need to get something out of your mind, or off your stress, or that loneliness, or that am I ever going to be the same out of your mind. And what do? Well, with Rehab Studio, we release it through artwork. And I also will give you tutorials on how things work, product reviews and stuff like that. This is not sponsored. I am not a sponsored channel. If you want to sponsor me, I love you. But if not, I love you anyways. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Leave a comment. Later, guys. There's your grayscale and your value finder.